are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tamika and I am going to share with you guys the beginnings of a project that I'm going to start using these Dollar Tree ornaments. They come in a pack of 2 and they are plastic ornaments, small. They're really nice, a nice size, and then they just come loose like that. There's a little clamp in here that you use to keep everything all together, and it has a little silver string on it to hang on the tree. So I have 3 packs of 3 of these, and I'm going to use my Arteza glossy white self-adhesive vinyl, and then I pulled some paint from my garage. This is Rust-Oleum. I always used to spray in the paint and primer in white flat, and then the paint and primer in this has gray spray gold spray paint on it. Anyway, paint primer in flat white and primer in black. I like the primers. They have a better coverage for me, in my opinion, and then they're flat. See, there's no shine, there's no glisten to it, and that's exactly how I want my bulbs to be. So my Christmas tree decorations are black, white, and red this year. They were just red and white and silver last year, so there's going to be some silver in it. But I bought some more ornaments that have black and red in it just to add something a little extra to it, and I think these painted black would be awesome, and then white at the tips, and then I'm going to use my vinyl and my silhouette cameo to put everyone's personalized name on there. I try to do a different ornament each time that they can take with them, and I've done those little Target porcelain mittens. I've done little gloves little mittens, handmade mittens that I've made, and little stockings. So this year I'm going to make ornaments that they have their names on it. So I need 6, and that's what's going to be. So I'll be back with probably just the finished product of the paint, and then I'll show you one of the ways that I'll show you the way that I put on one of the names of the ornaments. So, all right, so the first thing you're going to do is open up a new silhouette page, and then you're going to select draw a rectangle from your sidebar. And I just drew a rectangle, and then I just measured the width and height that I needed, which is 2 by 1.5. And you can adjust those settings at the very top, or you can just drag your rectangle / square to the size that you want. Open up a new text box, and then for me, I just typed in my name because that's the last one that I did. And so the automated population is this blocky format or font that I don't want, so I always go over and change it to fonts that I purchase. And I purchase my fonts from the Silhouette online store. I have some really nice fonts. So this one I'm particularly interested in is called Kismet, Kismet. I'll put it down below in the description box, but I really think it's a nice cute Christmassy cursive font. So that's what I selected, and then it'll automatically change my lettering once I highlight the box. And then I always change the thickness of my lines to just be a little bit thicker so that it'll cut a little better. So you just use whatever thickness that you like, or leave it as is. I think I changed mine to 2, let me see, I have to wait for me to get there. I think that changes to 2.50. 2.75. There we go. And then I changed the outline and the fill color to black, just because I like it better. That way I can see the lines and the words a little bit more clear. So my computer is a little slow, obviously, but anyway, that's what I do. So now we're going to go ahead and take the rectangle box that we made earlier, drag it over the words, and resize that to the dimensions that we want to fill in that square. It's just a guide. I know that I can make them bigger or smaller, but you want to be able to see the vinyl name hanging from the tree. So I maximize my options here. And again, the width of that box is 2.5 by 1.5. And then I use the arrows and the little spaces to adjust the name accordingly. Make it a little taller, make it a little fatter. So do that at your discretion. And then once you get everything to your liking, you can go ahead and send it to the Silhouette. So once you're there, the it's gonna either say cut or no cut. I don't know, sometimes it's different for me, but it's cutting everything and I don't want it to cut everything. So just highlight it and hit cut, which is the second option. You either don't cut it, you cut regular, or you cut everything. So the middle option, which is cut, and then change your paper to whatever paper medium you're using. I'm using vinyl glossy, so I go ahead over to the section and change it to vinyl glossy, and I'm using a Silhouette 4, so the blade automatically adjusts itself to the force and the speed and the depth of the blade. So I'm glad I don't have to do that manually anymore, which is one of the things that I absolutely love about the Silhouette 4. So once that's done, go ahead and send to cut. Alright guys, I've sprayed the ornaments with the paints and they are in the garage chilling. So while we're doing that, I figure I'd insert a little plug. Today is November 27th and I am planning to do a live tonight at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So hopefully you guys are done with your shopping and you're resting, getting prepared for the weekend, and you're able to join me because now it's time to get prepared for Christmas. Obviously, I'm making my ornaments. So I mentioned in a live or so ago that I purchased, or maybe it was a haul. It was a haul, but it was a live. I'll put it down below. And I purchased a bunch of digital paper, and I was planning to do a digital, I was planning to do a December daily for the first time. And someone asked if I was going to do a live. I was like, oh, child, I'm not going to do a live because I don't know what I'm doing. But you know what? I'm going to do it, and we're going to prep together. So that being said, I have created my own December daily mini album or December daily book, and I'm so excited. I've cut out a bunch of the pieces here. I have to finish cutting it out to obviously prepare for the live tonight, but we're going to put it together. But I've cut out a bunch of the pieces, and I'm using this digital paper that I got from Snap Click Supply. It's called Farmhouse. I'm wavering in between. Let me get that one. That one and this other one that I had in my haul, which is the what is the paper? I'll put it down below. I cannot think of the name right now. And it's a cute little name. Anyway, I'll put it down below. But they could actually just work together too. So either way, if I cut out one thing and decide later I want to use the other paper, it's fine. They work together. But so I'm kind of trying to decide which one I'm going to use. But I was saying all of that to say that if you wanted to participate and do the December daily with me as we do this journey, that would be awesome, and you and I can craft together. So I'll have the link to the mini album if you're interested down below in the description box. You can find it at my store online, and I'm going to make sure I specify if it's for Silhouette users or not. I'm going to send it to someone who has a Cricut and see if they can open it, and that way everyone can use it, because I'm having a problem converting my Silhouette files to Cricut users where they can use it and it's not all choppy. So I'm doing something I'm clicking is incorrect. So for sure it's going to be for Silhouette users, but I'll specify when you get to the website. It'll say Silhouette only or for everyone on there. And while you're there, stop by and see if there's anything else you'd like. So anyway, that's it for that. Get your stuff together. Even if you're not using my file, whatever you're going to get a book, get a little notebook, a journal, something, so we can December daily together. This will be the first year, 2020. I mean, there's a lot to daily about. So all right, the paintball should be almost dry, so I'm going to come back and you're going to see us finish the ornaments. All right, talk to you guys later. Hopefully I'll see you at the live tonight. All right, so the ornament is dry. I don't know if you can see, but it is just a really nice matte finish, and I ended up doing 2 coats just so I can get that really. I didn't need 2 coats, but I ended up doing them on that. And then I have my little top here that I painted white. So you guys saw me show you how to, I know you guys probably already knew that, but how I did my name there. And I've done everyone's name already. I'm going to get my little contact paper prepared, and I'm just going to, I don't know how you guys do it, but I take off my vinyl first. and then I weed. It's just easier for me. And I probably should have gone over this with my bone folder, which I did not. Go over with your bone folder, people. Don't skip steps like I do, because that's what happens. All right. Luckily, this is a font that is forgiving. All right, so I'm just going to just take out the little pieces that do not belong, that are in the holes here. I think that's it. Oh, and these little pieces will get stuck to your life. All right, so we're going to take our little contact paper, put that on top. Okay, and then I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this off because knowing me, I'll have these little specks on ornament. All right, make sure there's no, this little thing keeps attracting everything. Okay, I want to just eyeball it. Yeah, I want it centered there. I'm just going to apply it. Very easy. Rub that on there. All right. I'm not going to worry about that eye because I'm not going to put it on there. So cute. Isn't it so cute? But wait, we're not done. So first I'm going to put this in here. Pops back in there. I'm going to take this string off because we're just going to use a ornament hanger. So that's not going to hang on the tree. And then I'm going to grab these 6 mini bowls from the haul that I did. They came from Walmart. And I'm going to add it to my ornament. This is an inexpensive way to add a pretty to your tree. I'm going to roll that little twist tie around one more time. Make sure it's nice and sturdy on there. Pinch it flat. So cute. I love it. Let's put it, where do I want it? Right there. And I'm going to grab some hot glue and just apply it to a dab in the center of the middle. And I'm applying mine to this right here. Just want to make sure it's as center as possible. Now, how stinking cute is that? I am going to shorten this tail a smidge on both sides. Oh, this is just too cute. This is too cute. So anyway, that's it, guys. Simple, easy, cute, and you have all of the things, most of the things you have if you play with vinyl at all at home. So if you can, get you a little can of spray paint. They come really small, but those big old cans are like $3. So I always have them because I always need black and white. So go to Walmart or find you some bowls, or even go to the Dollar Tree and get you a ribbon spool that's $1 and make your own little bowls. You guys know I struggle with bowls, so that's why I have these. So, and the ornaments are $2 for $1, so 50 cents. All right, that wraps up that video. Again, hopefully I inserted this in the video where we talked about the mini album digital file that's available in my shop. And hopefully I will see you guys tonight at the live. Even if you're not hanging out or creating a December daily, maybe you'll just come hang out. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.